it's Shana J Beauty, and in today's video I'm going to show you how I got these beautiful heatless curls using Curlformers. I'm starting the style on freshly washed hair and my hair feels so good. As always, I'm going to section my hair into quadrants. This just helps me to stay nice and organized, and I can work on one section of hair at a time, especially when I do apply the LOC method, which is leave-in conditioner, or oil, and then a cream or a styling product. This just helps me to keep my hair nice and moisturized and hydrated, and I find that doing this really helps my hair to thrive. And when I'm parting my hair, I'm not looking for it to be perfect. I just want the parts to be clean because I don't want my hair snagging in between parts. Starting with this back section first, I will be applying my leave-in conditioner and my oil, but before I do, I am going to re-wet it with some water. I find that when I re-wet my hair and I do styles on damp hair, it lasts so much longer and the style looks a lot better. For my leave-in conditioner, I'm going to be using Jane Carter's Solution Revitalizing Leave-In Conditioner, and I really like this leave-in just because it is lightweight and it also leaves my hair feeling nice and soft. For my oil, I'm going to use Jamaican Mango and Lime Jamaican Black Castor Oil with coconut, and I really like this oil because it contains coconut oil, which is one of my favorite oils. Also, it does have Jamaican Black Castor Oil, which I really do like, and this oil is going to help to nourish my hair. It also helps to prevent breakage. It adds sheen and moisture, and it smells amazing. So this oil is very good for my hair. So after I do apply the oil in my hair, I'm going to twist the section up and then continue this process on the rest of my hair. Now to apply the Curlformer. It is very simple. All I'm going to do is apply the Curlformer onto this needle that they have provided, and I'm going to slide the Curlformer down. And when I do apply it to my hair, I'm just making sure that my hair goes in the space right here on the needle, and then I'm going to slide the Curlformer down my hair. It is very simple, and of course I'm going to show you a lot of times. For my styling product, I'm going to use Jane Carter's Solution Wrap and Roll Smooth Styling Mousse, and I really like this just because it has never let me down. No matter if I'm doing a perm ride out, a flexi ride out, a twist out, a braid out, anytime that I do use this mousse, my styles look great and they definitely last. I applied about 3 pumps of the mousse onto this section here, and then I'm just going to divide it into 2 so I can apply the Curlformer, and I'm going to make sure that the mousse is really saturated in my hair and also it's smoothed in using my favorite rat tail comb. I'm going to make sure that there's no tangles anywhere and that my hair is nice and smooth, and then I'm going to twist my hair at the root, just make sure that there's tension, and I am going to apply the needle onto the roots of my hair, and then I'm going to scoop the Curlformer up towards my roots, and then I'm going to pull the needle out, and the Curlformer will be nice and firm on my roots and it stays there. This Curlformer is not going to move anywhere, and if I need to adjust the Curlformer to make sure that it has that nice perfect curl, I will. And I'll repeat this process all over my hair with the Curlformers. And I'm also showing you how I apply the Curlformers in the front, just so you have a different view. have applied all the curl formers to my hair, here is how it looks. And these curl formers are nice and snug on my roots, which is a good thing because I know it will not slide off while I sleep. And I do air dry my hair. I often get asked this question many times. How do I dry my hair with curlers in? It doesn't matter if it's a flexi rod, twist out, braid out, a perm rod out, I always air dry my hair. I am going to put some elastics on my hair just to pull it back so I could sleep better and that these curlers will not be in my face. It's the following day and my hair has completely dried overnight, which is another reason why I do like using curl formers, just because I know without a shadow of a doubt that my hair will dry the next day. If I want nice heatless curls, I will use curl formers. So because the curl formers are bulky, I'm not going to section it up. I'm just going to gently pull the curl former off of my hair and I'm going to have these nice, beautiful curls. Now that I have taken all the curl formers off, I'm left with these beautiful heatless curls. I really love the way my hair looks. I am going to separate the curls for some more volume, and I'm going to add some more of the oil just to make sure that I don't cause unnecessary frizzing when I am unraveling the curls. When I'm unraveling the curls, I separate my hair about 3 to 5 more times. After separating the curls, here's how my hair looks, and I will be adding some more volume. So I will be using my pick, and I'm just picking at the roots only. And I'm going to use a few bobby pins just to make sure that my hair is out of my face. And I'm adding my earrings because this style right here is definitely a look. I love the way my hair turned out. It's really soft and voluminous. And if you liked my tutorial, please give me a thumbs up. Also comment, subscribe if you're not, and share. And I'll see you in the next video. Bye.